everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did there? Now who they calavante? All my returning subscriber. I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for always coming back to watch this Naija Daughter. Today I bring our brother Mark News. He said he want to explain to us. Say some people not like him because of during election time. They laugh, he smile. Some people not like him. Then he want to explain himself. The reason why they laugh. Let's hear from him. Then leave your own opinion. Me, I will leave my own opinion also. Then leave your own opinion. Wait till you think about.
See, a lot of people hate me because of the way I did they laugh from the starting where they start to they do the election. Courage now. Why they laugh? Now I want to explain why they laugh because a lot of people don't know why they laugh. Before the election, at all now before. Say corruption not go fit come up for Nigeria with voters card. But some people say no, go and get your PVC. Go and, if the voters card is not working, why are they paying you to vote? I got the look on one eye. I told now before if they watch my old video, I said this is not go work. Oh. Fela wey got a jump, they wear pride, they do like this. They talk. The man not the crazy. Oh. They say, oh, Pararan, you don't know what they talk. Oh, Buhari does sign, corruption sign. Now I can start to the vote. Oh, now know why I not like Peter Obi. I be very straight human being. Because the way they do now, some of them now, if you say I like Tinubu, no, I just hate who they lie. Out of these three people who do the election, the most person where I hate pass, now Obi. You know why? I hate Obi because Obi they lie. Oh, I'll be very straight person. If you like, block me if you like. I'll not even get your time. But I'll be very straight person. You know why I say Obi they lie? First, for Nigeria, before they bring us up, I don't call my age, but you understand, I don't they go. Because of one small girl what I get from my area, I mean, I can't know my age. Now let me just tell you like that, say I don't they go. You understand now? Even Obi, put Obi, you know, for Igbo man to be president of this country, you understand now? Control day. No. I'll be very straight human being, but people now say, I'm not there anybody's side, but I'll be straight. So if they lie, no matter whether they like you, but if they lie, they know. I will tell you, say, guy, you are lying. He know, say, he not going to be president. If Peter Obi tell you, say, no, my brother, you be mugu. Peter Obi no say he cannot be president of this country because of for Igbo man to be president, guy. A lot of things they need to change them. You know. But the guy can come. Oh, now they say, oh, the most good one, the one way they do. I got the look at. Now there I got to know say this guy na scam. I got the look at. Go they do, oh, go and verify. Oh, go and verify. If I ask all of Nana, Anambra State, better pass any of the state for this Nigeria. Some of them will say, who. Not do because of say people they like somebody. Sometimes think. Some people will not even hate, even good pass, some people will not like. But some of them not they think. I got they look at my got they do. After the election, like this, got they do. A lot of people don't call out because you say you did transparent to how much you make for this election. Peter Obi wait on and say I be saint. He don't ever come outside and say I make like this, I do like this, or they donate like this for me. My brother think who you feel say be your savior. Maybe now be even your enemy or you don't know. Ask God clean. Now you must want. Peter Obi no. People even scam on a pass. Now Peter Obi, this Labour Party now is scam on a pass. Because they know he cannot walk. He don't go feel walk. But when we turn at the truth, they say, hey, you don't know what you're saying. You know, just see evidence. See, like, I'll be very straight human being. When somebody they want, I don't know. Ask and say how much he make for this election, where people donate, whether they don't give account. Because since he say make everybody they transparent. Now let me they talk. Then ask and say, how Igbo man want to be president for Nigeria? I be you don't know. I be very sometimes think. Not because say, oh, love, oh, everybody like this person, oh, eh, where e dey wey people dey die for Lekki, where e dey wey Nigeria dey die since, where e dey wey things burn for this country automatic una fit say oh Abiola in time sef internet never dey, we get Abiola soup, we get Abiola like this, but the country no still work. Fela sing, dance with pint, everything, country no still work. You don't ask yourself say why, my brother. I can't get with who guy. Now revolution I go fit stop this thing. But when we talk now, when I say, oh, you know what they talk, so when they talk anyhow, this one they do anyhow. I'm not there any party. Nobody go fit come out and say don't pay me 1 naira. But I just like truth. Waiting not go work. I go tell you say this thing cannot work. With the one until they go. Not be to insult people online. Not be to grad. Not the deceive person say begin to share it. See evidence. Obi don't win. Cut the shake. Cut the shake. Cut the shake. My brother, sometimes use your head. Sometimes get time to meditate. Sometimes get time to think. Say, where did they go wrong? How this thing want to happen? Country will law, not the work. I want you to do some more example for now. If Ekwerebadu pu Ekwerebadu, now be that do face like person where they eat kanye. If Ekwerebadu now get this case for a year with that boy, you should say that boy will win Ekwerebadu. Sure you don't understand now, but when I know they think, when I know they say one divine being because of religion, when I go they think say one divine being, God can do it without fast, without do. My brother, what did they do you? God can do it. God can do it. Now take courage like this. My brother, show me any country for this world where God do the country called the okay. Just show me. Without saying no be human be one. You know day. Show me any man house where God call sweep. Use the angel to sweep am. You know day. Now you must one. But if you talk to now they say oh yeah, una not the year. Nobody pay me. I'm not there into any party. I be just straightforward person. For Igbo man to rule this country go hard. When you follow wetin dey happen for this country, nobody tell me anything, but with the calculation wetin dey happen for this country, it go hard. Obi no. So Obi even scam on na pass even Tinubu wey you dey hate, because na dem say. So the most person wey dey even dey vex for na be Obi. How much you make for this election? E don come. Today wey be election day, Obi no dey court. But all the rest they take court. You hold phone, they do like this. My brother, know your enemy. Some people who they feel say be our enemy, not be even our enemy. See Lagos, they brand yourself, they make sure say that they be the one thing. But see our state, see other state. My brother, think, not make somebody put story for you, make you hate anybody. Sometimes just they start to think, meditate, like all those Shaolin people, and think. My brother, the enemy way you get now be this Obi. Obi know everything. Money wey Obi don't make for this election. Oshina, if they tell you, you go wrong. Money wey Obi don't make from you. For your mind, I say, oh, if you enter Nigeria, nobody go fit enter. One person go enter this Nigeria president, and Nigeria will change. Na lie. But you know why? Because now your governor they change your state. Now your senators they change your state. President no they change your state. You don't think because some of them don't even know. Because any small thing, they'll say, oh, now Obasanjo, oh, now Yaradua, oh, now Goodluck Jonathan, oh, now Buhari, oh, now Tinubu. When I start to the complaint Tinubu, now like this thing. You don't start to the think. Your problem is your governors, not president. Una go shout, una go tire, until una start to the think. Forget all this on a pastor, because they know say people love Obi. Now I make a lot of pastor, go just jump, go they do. You go to visit, oh, our pastor, my brother, they cash out from Obi. If they tell you people will make money through Obi during this election, because of say, oh yeah, begin to the share, they ever deceive una. Me when tell una the truth, una ever hate me, some of una block me, some of una do like this. My brother, I be very truthful person. If you like me, 5 people follow me. I like her. Now, truth I just got up because before I start mock news, I feel watch filler. Why people like filler?
My people, wetin you think about this whole things when Pararan talk about Obi? Me, I put some things down. One, when he said, Igbo man no fit be president for Nigeria. Say, Pararan, my brother, will tag you. Who talk and say Igbo man no fit be president? For me, I not agree for that your statement when you make. Why Igbo man no be president for Nigeria? Say that they fear, say make they not go their separate way, make they not, leave Nigeria, make they can't get their Biafra. For state or for country to be their own, there is stage or number of people when they get. As me understand, as space still big reach, Barcelona try to, break out without no fight, without no gbas when they do for our east side, without no that they vote, they no win, they no fit comot, but they still dey that. If you go Barca now, those Barcelona side, those side, they dey pay like Madrid. They no dey pay. They need more people so that they will reach that, require when they need. Like if only Igbo, say Igbo man come out as a president to rule Nigeria, na make Nigeria dey fear say they no give Igbo man as a president. That is totally wrong. For me, I no believe like that. Yes, I no believe. And if whether person who come under my comment section, I no believe. Me, I see as everybody as Nigeria acts one. We should stop those tribalism. We should stop those, oh, this person. No. What about Atiku? Is it Atiku? What about Atiku? When he don't go for presidency for many times. Atiku don't go many times for presidency. He never win. Now he don't old. I no even sure say he go fit contest again. This is the last, time. What about Buhari? Buhari contest. He no win before, 8 years ago for here when he can rule. This will not be the first time when Peter Obi come outside when he contest. Then the other party, the PDP and APC, now they still hold Nigeria. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Now they still hold Nigeria. Votes come from village. Votes come from village. Those are the party village, typical village. No. Now those party, this Obi party, now make me they say, me say you not win, you give up. Not give up. When you get that dream, when you get that vision, say this is what I want to be, and this is how I want my country to be. I want to contribute to my country to be better. You're not supposed to give up. Buhari contest for presidency for many times. He never ever win. Before this one, why did not come outside say, oh, they no ever vote for for this man because na Hausa man. But Hausa men they rule Nigeria. For that statement, me I not buy my brother. For that one, no is no for me. Yes, because my Edo dey there. I want my Edo to become president one day. I want Igbo man to still rule Nigeria. Yes, for Hausa and Yoruba they rule. Not be only them day, but see the whole things now. As they say, Tinubu put himself there. Not be God. Let's wait. He go still rule, go comot. We pray for good leaders. And secondly, our brother still talk about Obi never give account for donation when he get for election. I don't understand that part too. I beg, if you understand, let me know. For election time, they still they donate, they still they make money. Nigeria. Hey, what do you know here for another country? Now they here for my country, Nigeria. As president elect, you dey contest. Then they say you still they make money. Our Papa Obi, if you still come across this my video, or maybe one of your lovers come across this my video, address this part. They say your president elect, they say you get money when you make during election. They say you not bring the account come outside. Let us know. Another one still the when he talk, I agree 100%. He say now your governor go make your state better. Now your governor go make Nigeria better. Yes or no? Yes. Now your governor. When our Nigeria will start to the peak is when our youth wake up, start asking their governor, what till they use this money do? What till you do with this money? This year money when they just give now. Wait till which work now use that they will no protest. Till our people start. And not make they protest when they go to buy themselves or no. Till our youth come together. No say now their government, their governor be their problem. Now make their city, now make their state not the progress, not be president. Now our country will start to go, start to move. Because if my governor state, he do my state well, another governor state, he do where Nigeria now be the state now. Each state we just have 37 states. Imagine those 37 states, they perform well. Your state there is everything, water, light, security. President don't come your state, can't give you security. President don't come your state, can't give you water. President now your governor your local chairman, your councillor. Now all those people now go dey hold responsible. Now they in good position to give us those things. President now to go outside to go bring investor. President now to release money give state. I hope everything go well. Why Obi not go court? He said why Obi not go court the last day of court? Why Obi not go? He said na Obi be una problem. Na believe say na Obi be una problem. No be me talk now. I know beside the fear una say if I say na me talk, una hear am for the Hoxie mouth. They say na Obi be una problem. They say Obi know the truth. Me, I still say 50-50. The reason why I say 50-50 is because Obi, it just come out now. I know some people they come out, vote for them, they go enter. But no be that Nigeria. Nigeria is deep. No be how me and you just sit down, they talk for our social media. Just Nigeria is deep. There is deep. It's only God that will rescue us. That is why when I will see some, people that go to fight themselves, you dey inside the pain, you see the pour more injury to your leg. I pity all those kind of people. When they give them, I know they look back because this thing they lost it all. This Obi, when many people they fight themselves, they block each other for. They say money when you make for this election, say me you go break account. He know the whole truth. He know the whole truth. He know the whole truth. How many village in my own village they don't know this party? Other people village they don't know this party. Now village be votes. They will combine the whole village votes. They will combine them together. Your chairman, they go sign. Your council, they will bring everything. Maybe this polling booth. Each polling booth, there is leader. When they lead, you go bring your own. This one will bring, they will count down. Except the thief come out. If the devil still thief come out, they know them. Because they know people when vote. They know people when vote for them. After they do it, they can't finish. They go sign, they go submit it to council. Council can collect the whole 18 local government like my door. They'll come carry, they'll come go submit them for where they'll submit them. Before they'll calculate them, they'll constantly go each state, how many the full state, who big part. I don't know how they take my people. I just say, may I bring and come, waiting this our brother, he talk. I just say, may I still bring my own analysis. If you still get your own, leave her in the comment section. We need peace for our country. We don't need war. We don't need violence. We don't need anything. We need peace. Those leaders when they there, the Tinubu when they there, shikobo. If they start to fight today now, Tinubu, in fact, you don't even know whether or not they fight. This Obi, you don't even know whether or not they fight. Their children, they know they go there. Their children, they like this. You the poor Marxists, you want to go use your head. Who do us like this? That's why I go see some of my fellow youths or some of my fellow sister brother. Just because of election, you go block your fellow brother, block your sister. You know, ma. Look what Pararan talk just now. He said a lot of people block him just because of election. Before our country, before those people say they be learned people when they draw those things. They say they go school. If you look there, they say they go school. I pity for them. You go school. You they allow government to make use of you. You will never see for this France when they say time of election that they fight themselves. No, when they will tell fight themselves, they go fight government. How they fight government? They will start with a protest, peaceful protest, burning things, burning tire, peaceful protest. No, just because you vote for this one, it will be your enemy. God will have mercy on that. My people, I just say let me, drop these comments. We don't need to, insult our brother Pararan. My own opinion, I bring comments. Bring your own without no insult. No be insult. We don't have right to insult. They don't ask Obi. Now he asked Obi, may Obi bring accounts. Election time, the donation, may he bring account. He said now Obi be no problem. Say he know the truth. If you know, let me know in the comment section. Till I meet you in my next video. Do well to join this beautiful family. All my beautiful people, all my lazy fans going to support me. I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all. Share my video. Tell your brother, tell your sister.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any